I'm back. I'm sorry. I had no room on my phone, so I ended like so quickly. But
we have not found the dog.
We're trying to look for the dog.
I think it's just letting us. They don't really care because they know we're going back.
No. Oh my God, that dog looks so real.
I know, right?
Like there's a dog right there, right there. Should we? Hold on. It's right there. See that? Oh my God, it looks so real. Get out of that puddle!
It's so deep. If you keep watching it, it gets deeper. It's getting deeper.
And lighter and tighter.
My feet are getting wet.
Yeah, we're just looking for the dog.
What are you doing?
Get out of there! We kind of want to own that dog. It was so cute. Dude, get over here, Jocelyn. Jocelyn. She's going all the way over.
Oh no.
We're gonna go. If that freaking little dog was chasing me, I would be like, oh! I love you, dog. You know what sucks? I really want a doggy. That's the same deep puddle you were just in. She is so dumb. Oh my God, that looks so real. I wish I could show you. I really wish I had a YouTube camera. A camera. Must be a good reason that you're gone. Follow me on Musical.ly. It's right up your butt around the corner. I'm just kidding. It's right.
Oh, it's right in your butt.
Right there. Right there.
My shoes are wet.
I'm crushing you. Right there in her butt. My account is gonna be right there in her butt. You just right there in her butt. Right there in her butt. She's trying to show her butt. Get the heck over here! Get the heck! Oh my God! Right up her booty. I'm just kidding. Right here. Every time you turn around, I'm going to show my Roberto Villa account and then blur your face out because that's how ugly it is. I'm just kidding.